Okay, we're back. Okay, I wanted to create a quick video on something called cortisol. This is one of the adrenal gland's hormones, okay? The adrenal gland makes like 30 hormones. Cortisol is one of them, and they use this in a lot of medications as a medication called prednisone, okay? It's used for skin issues, and it's used as an anti-inflammatory. It's used for autoimmune diseases because it controls the immune system, okay? It controls inflammation, pain. It's a very common medication. The problem is when you take it, it shuts down your own body's ability to make it, so it comes with a package. I know this one child had multiple injections of prednisone into the shoulder. It completely destroyed the joint. So anytime you take steroids, you want to make sure you don't take a lot of it because it has a lot of side effects. Because it shuts down your own body's ability to control the immune system and heal and get rid of inflammation so it can get out of control. Also, they use this for poison ivy. I got poison ivy every year in my 20s for like many, many years, so I had to take steroids over and over and over. And the reason I bring this up is because cortisol or prednisone destroyed my body. That was the thing that really brought my health downward, okay? And if I would have known about that, I probably would have tried some other things, but I kept getting the poison ivy and kept taking the round of steroids to the point where they didn't work anymore. So it was devastating. So I'm highly allergic to poison ivy, so I have to completely avoid it at all costs. Cortisol is a dominating hormone. So let's say, for example, you're eating good and you're exercising and you're triggering the fat-burning hormones. Cortisol has the power to nullify and stop and inhibit these other actions or hormones. So in other words, if there's stress going on too high, it doesn't matter if you really are doing all the right things, it might not work because this is a dominating hormone. So what we want to do in these next few videos is understand cortisol and do things to help naturally bring it down. And it's really about controlling stress, which we'll cover in the next video. But you just need to understand it's a dominating hormone. It controls the immune system, inflammation. It also, if it's too high, it will convert your own body's protein, muscle, skin, connective tissue, collagen, disc, ligament, tendon, into sugar, which will then increase insulin and cause diabetes. So that's where you see weak muscles, flabby skin, especially menopausal when the cortisol goes up because the adrenals back up the ovaries during menopause. Okay, so that's one thing that you need to know about. And it's triggered by stress. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk about stress. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.